Did you know that over 70% of freelancers say they found their first big job on a website you've probably never even heard of? Shocking, right? The truth is, while everyone flocks to the same old platforms, there are hidden freelancing sites out there just waiting to be discovered, with little to no competition. Imagine landing your first gig on one of these secret sites and starting your freelance journey without the usual struggle. Ready to uncover these hidden gems? Let's jump in. Number 1. Upwork. Let's kick things off with the giant in the room, Upwork. Now, if you're new to freelancing, Upwork might seem intimidating because of its size and the sheer number of freelancers on the platform. But here's a fun fact. Despite the massive competition, Upwork still has a soft spot for beginners. How? Well, Upwork's algorithm actually favors new freelancers in their first few weeks by giving their profiles a bit of a boost. It's like they're saying, hey, welcome to the club, here's a head start. But don't get too comfortable, because after that honeymoon period, it's all about how well you manage your profile and proposals. A little secret? The key to standing out on Upwork isn't just in your skill set, but in how you present yourself. Clients on Upwork are willing to pay more for freelancers who can communicate effectively and showcase a strong portfolio. Did you know the average client on Upwork spends 19 times more than a client on Fiverr? That's because Upwork clients are usually looking for more long-term, complex projects. Upwork is huge, no doubt about it. With millions of jobs posted annually and billions paid out to freelancers, the competition is fierce. But if you're strategic, especially in your early days, it can be a goldmine. On a scale of 1 to 10 for beginners, I'd give Upwork a solid 8. It's got the jobs, the clients, and the potential for growth, but the learning curve can be steep. Number 2. Fiverr. Now let's talk about Fiverr, the platform that's probably the most beginner-friendly out there. What makes Fiverr unique is it's a gig-based system, where you can sell specific services at a set price. This makes it perfect for freelancers who want to dip their toes into the freelancing world without diving into the deep end. But here's a fun fact. Fiverr isn't just about $5 gigs anymore. In fact, Fiverr Pro, the platform's premium service, allows top-tier freelancers to charge up to $20,000 for a single gig. But here's the thing most people don't know. Fiverr Pro is super exclusive. Only 1% of applicants make it into this elite tier, but the effort is worth it because pro sellers get access to high-budget clients and more prominent exposure on the platform. If you're just starting out, regular Fiverr is still a great place to be. It's less competitive than you think, especially if you're offering niche services. Fiverr is fantastic for beginners because you can start with low competition, especially if you're targeting niche markets. The downside is the buyer's tendency to expect lower prices, which can be a challenge if you're aiming to scale up your earnings. For beginners, I'd rate Fiverr a 7 out of 10. It's easy to start, but it takes time to move up the ranks and start earning big. Number 3. TopTool. TopTool's like the VIP lounge of freelancing. It's where only the top 3% of freelancers are accepted. And trust me, it's not for the faint of heart. But here's something most people don't know. TopTool isn't just for developers and designers anymore. They've expanded to include finance experts, project managers, and product managers, making it a versatile platform for highly skilled professionals across different industries. If you're a beginner, getting into TopTool might seem like a distant dream. However, if you've got a strong portfolio and some solid experience, it's worth a shot. The screening process is tough, involving multiple stages including language and personality tests, technical exams, and real-world test projects. But here's the kicker. Once you're in, TopTool handles everything for you. From finding clients to managing payments, they've got it all covered. TopTool's not the go-to for beginners, but if you've got the chops, it's a game changer. It's highly exclusive, but with that comes less competition and higher rates. I'd give TopTool a 5 out of 10 for beginners because of the tough entry, but if you can get in, it's a 10 for potential earnings and client quality. Number 4. Freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is one of the oldest freelancing platforms out there, and it's often overlooked in favor of new sites. But here's a little known fact. Freelancer.com holds regular contests that allow you to showcase your skills and win projects without the traditional bidding process. This is perfect for beginners who might struggle with writing proposals or competing against more established freelancers. Another fun secret? Freelancer.com has a feature called Freelancer Showcase, where you can display your work in a portfolio that's visible to all potential clients. This feature can significantly increase your chances of getting noticed, especially if your portfolio is well curated. Freelancer.com is less crowded than Upwork, but still has a sizable pool of clients and jobs. The contest feature is a unique way to bypass some of the traditional competition, making it easier for beginners to land their first few projects. I'd rate Freelancer.com a 6 out of 10 for beginners. There's opportunity here, but it takes some effort to navigate and stand out. Number 5. People per hour. People per hour might not be as well known as Upwork or Fiverr, but it's a hidden gem for freelancers, especially beginners. One interesting fact about people per hour is that it uses an AI system to match freelancers with projects, which can save you a ton of time searching through listings. But here's a fun secret. People per hour allows you to post hourlies, which are fixed price offers for services you can deliver quickly. This is a great way to get started and build up your profile with some quick wins. The platform is particularly popular in the UK, and a large portion of its client base comes from Europe, which means there's less competition from the global crowd. This can be a huge advantage if you're just starting out and trying to find your niche. People per hour is smaller and more specialized, which means less competition, but also fewer job postings. However, the hourlies feature is perfect for beginners to get their foot in the door. I'd rate people per hour a 7 out of 10 for beginners, particularly those looking for quick wins to build their portfolio. Number 6. Guru. Guru might not be the first name that comes to mind when thinking about freelance platforms, but it's been around for a long time and has a solid reputation among freelancers. What's interesting about Guru is its workroom feature, which allows you to manage all your projects, communicate with clients, and track your progress in one place. This is particularly handy if you're new to freelancing and juggling multiple projects. A little known fact, Guru has one of the lowest fees among the major freelance platforms. They only take 5% of your earnings if you have a basic membership and use their payment methods. This means more money in your pocket at the end of the day. Guru is great for beginners who are looking for a more organized approach to freelancing. The low fees are a big plus, but the platform does have fewer job listings compared to Upwork or Freelancer. I'd give Guru a 6 out of 10 for beginners. It's a good platform, but the smaller job pool might be a challenge for some. Number 7. 99 Designs. If you're a designer, 99 Designs is a platform that should be on your radar. It's a bit different from the other platforms because it operates on a contest-based system where clients choose the design they like best from a pool of submissions. This can be a double-edged sword because while it offers a chance to compete and win big, you also risk not getting paid if your design isn't selected. But here's a fun fact. 99 Designs offers a one-to-one projects feature that allows clients to work directly with designers they previously worked with or whose work they admire. This can turn a one-time contest win into a long-term client relationship. 99 Designs is perfect for designers who are confident in their skills and love a bit of competition. It's not ideal for everyone, especially if you're just starting and need guaranteed income, but it can be incredibly rewarding if you win contests. I'd rate 99 Designs a 5 out of 10 for beginners. The contest model can be tough, but the potential rewards are high. Number 8. Flex Jobs. Flex Jobs is ideal for beginners looking for remote work without the bidding wars common on other platforms. It offers pre-screened legitimate listings across various industries, making it a reliable choice for those seeking flexible jobs. Though it requires a subscription fee, the quality of opportunities available justifies the cost. With less competition and a focus on secure remote work, Flex Jobs is a strong option for beginners. I'd rate it a 7 out of 10, particularly for those prioritizing stability and vetted listings. Number 9. Simply Hired. Simply Hired acts as a job search engine that aggregates freelancing opportunities from across the web. It's a great resource for beginners exploring different types of freelance work, offering a wide variety of listings. A bonus feature is the ability to compare salaries for similar roles, which helps in setting competitive rates. Simply Hired offers variety, but requires sifting through listings to find the right match. It's a good option for beginners who appreciate a broad range of opportunities. I'd rate it 6 out of 10 for its accessibility and diverse job options. Number 10. We Work Remotely. We Work Remotely focuses on high-quality remote jobs, often from reputable tech companies and startups. It's a straightforward platform with listings for both full-time and freelance positions, ideal for those who want to avoid bidding and dive into remote work with established firms. Though smaller in scale, the quality of listings on We Work Remotely is excellent for beginners, aiming to build a strong portfolio. I'd give it an 8 out of 10 for its focus on quality remote opportunities. Thanks for sticking around. If you're ready to start your freelancing journey on the right foot, these hidden gems are your golden ticket. Dive in, explore, and start building your dream career today.